Hi everyone! In today's video I want to answer the question of one of my subscribers, which was what actually is Figma? I started making videos about Figma by default, thinking that everyone knows what is Figma, or at least searched what it is and checked it out. The formal explanation on what is Figma on the internet is Figma is a vector graphic editor and prototyping tool that is mostly web-based, with additional offline features activated by desktop applications for macOS and Windows, which is true. And I want to also add that for me, in a simple language, when I try to explain to someone, Figma is all in one place for design and prototyping, from low fidelity wireframe, which is this one here, to a high fidelity prototype. The most important features of Figma are the collaboration, flexibility, prototyping and testing, smooth sharing, and easy development of plugins. The best part for me is that Figma is great for collaboration, and I love the Figma community because with them and their transparency you can do anything you put your mind to, and I really love that about Figma. This is even a file here that I'm using in the Figma community from Flux Academy, that is like Figma build tutorial starter, and they have provided everything needed for their YouTube tutorial as a Figma file, and I can easily access it and have all these files for myself and practice my design skills with this file. This is how easy it is for collaboration and sharing. Like if you want to help out someone with an example or just to give your design to the public, you can just share the link and that's it. So everything is saved automatically. You can also do in real time comments and editing. Like here is the comment and I can add it here. Also, if I want to share my file with my developers, or anybody that I want to check out the design and want their feedback, for example, I can easily share my link like this, copy the link or get the code and share and set up the things that they can do with my file. And the most important thing is that I can see anytime when they jump onto my file and start seeing what I have provided. As you can see, there is like 2 users here, even shows me when I am from my desktop and my tablet, so I can see who is reviewing this file in real time at the moment. Also, what I want to mention about Figma is that everybody can check out the designs and the progress of the designing. Managers, designers, copywriters, developers, everyone having one reference to look at and collectively work on. Like this huge canvas is like really big enough to make every single step of the process much more easy to handle when it's in one place only. You can put everything here in one place and also use different pages for organizing your versions. The flexibility is probably one of the most important and useful feature of Figma, because we can all work in our designs like wireframe and mockups and everything else and move on from one stage to another very easily. Prototyping is also very useful feature from Figma. It allows us to create high fidelity prototypes and test them right here on the spot with the prototype mirror share that you can install on your mobile device and test out the design and flow and see where design works and where not. The smooth sharing, as I already mentioned, everybody can use one single tool, which is Figma, for the handoff. It's also perfect for getting feedback in real time and not having the need to meet in real life to work on a design. Easy development of plugins. Designers can create their own plugins with Figma's API and plugin system. They also created a small playlist for creating your first plugin, which I'm excited to try out. Bottom line is that anybody can use Figma because the starter plan is free forever. I have seen graphic designers use it too. Also, with using the basic shapes, you can create even illustrations, amazing illustrations. You can create slides, presentations, carousels, and many more things, because if we dive into the capabilities of Figma, we can go on and on and on and on. Lots of templates and plugins and everything provided for free or with a small charge from the Figma community, which is really great. You can find almost everything in Figma community. FigJam is the baby of Figma, and it's perfect tool for having multiple templates and infinite board for brainstorming sessions and planning and everything else that comes to mind. You have to check it out. I will leave a link in the description below. I will not go into details what exactly Figma can do, because that's like very broad topic and there is like so much to unravel here, but for now that's it. Basically, Figma is a design tool for designers and non-designers that can create anything and everything within Figma. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for your time and for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like. Consider subscribing for more useful content like this. Leave your comments and thoughts below and let me know, do you know about Figma before that or you just find out. And yeah, have an awesome day and thank you once again. Bye.